Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about time. Time is the real currency. Time is your most valuable resource. You cannot earn more, you cannot save it for later. Many people spend hours on unimportant things. They wait for perfect moments. Time moves forward, every second counts. Money can be earned back. Opportunities can return, time never returns. Every small decision either wastes it or invests it. If you are young, start using time wisely. Plan, learn, action. Small daily actions add up faster than big bursts. 1 hour used today builds more than 10 hours wasted tomorrow. Respect time. Invest it wisely. Time is the real currency. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.